Birthday sa'yo, alam ko sikat ka na ngayon na hindi ka na marunong tumingin sa pinanggalingan mo. Nabati kita at hindi mo ako binabati. Pero masaya ako para sa'yo. Alam ko marami kang pinagdadaanan pang pag-usubok, pag-aaral mo lahat. Pero andito kami mga kaibigan mo, support sa'yo.
Happy birthday. Kaya nga na sinabi ni Bong, di ba minura mo siya kanina off-cam? Ay, di ba? Si Bong ang pinaka-plastic sa amin lahat. Di ba ta? Happy birthday, bro!
Napakagaling mo, magaling ka sumayaw, magaling ka umarte, nakikita kita. So, i-improve mo lang lahat. As years go by, i-improve mo lang. And nandito kami na mga kuya Bong mo, ni kuya Luis mo. Hindi ka namin papabayaan. Tuturuan ka namin ng mga magagandang paraan kung paano pausbungin ang iyong career. Amen? Amen. Okay, so makinig ka lang, especially sa kuya Bong mo. Naku, maraming alam yan. At kung ano man ang sabihin niya sa'yo, kung ano man ang paggawa niya sa'yo, huwag mo siyang tutularan. Okay, happy birthday!
Happy birthday. God bless you and stay happy. Wow, what can I say? Well, you know what? I'm very glad that through Lastic Math, I got to know you better, and I got to know how diligent you are as a student, and how sexy you are. How sexy you are. So I hope that you keep the both of them up. Keep sexy, stay sexy, and study hard. Finish school. Okay? Happy birthday.
I just wanted to greet you a very, 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 very happy birthday. Wish you all the best.
For all the joy you bring to others, I hope you're going to take some time to give that to yourself today of all days. That's my birthday wish for you, my O Magazine cover girl. Hey, it's your birthday. Hope you party like it's your birthday. Drink Bacardi like it's your birthday. In the club like it's your birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
It's Gaga, happy birthday. I miss my hubby so much. Hope you have a great time tonight. I'm on tour in Australia, so I can't be there, but I'll be thinking of you. I hope you do lots of sandwich dancing with your hubby R, and I hope that you vomit all over yourself. I love you. Bye.